In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a course on Udemy. If you've ever want to share your knowledge and expertise on one of the world's leading online learning platforms, you're in the right place. Whether you're an experienced instructor or just starting, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your course creation journey is as smooth and efficient as possible. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Udemy account. Navigate to the Udemy website and click on Login, located at the top right corner of the page. If you're not already signed in, you can do so using various methods, but for simplicity and convenience, go ahead and click on the Google icon to use your Google account for a quicker login. A window will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use, so make sure to select the one you prefer for your Udemy activities. Once logged in, your journey to course creation officially begins. Start by looking for the Instructor link. This option takes you to a dashboard where you'll find all the tools and resources you need to create and manage your courses. As a first timer, you'll want to initiate a new project. To do this, click on the New Course button. This is where the magic starts. When asked what type of course you'd like to create, choose Course, signaling your intention to start building a full training program. Udemy will then guide you through a series of questions to better understand your course topic and goals. These questions are designed to help tailor your course creation experience, so take your time to answer them thoughtfully. Following your responses, you'll input more specific information about your course. This might include details about the knowledge you'll be sharing, who your target students are, and what you aim for them to learn or achieve by the end of your course. After providing this initial information, click on Continue to proceed to the next steps. Here you'll specify the category that best fits the knowledge you'll share. Choosing the right category is crucial for reaching the right audience, so give this step some consideration. Next up, reflect on how much time you can dedicate to creating your course each week. This will help you manage your schedule and set realistic deadlines for yourself. Once you've decided, click Create Course, and you've officially set the groundwork for your new Udemy course. But your work isn't done yet. The real essence of your course lies in its content. This is where you plan your course by submitting lectures, articles, and videos. Think of this as the blueprint of your course. You're sketching out the structure and filling it with valuable knowledge and insights. Quality content is what will distinguish your course and make it beneficial for your students. So focus on delivering content that's engaging, informative, and unique. Once you've compiled and organized all your course materials, it's time for the final step. Submit your course for review. This is an essential part of the process, as Udemy has quality standards that all courses must meet before they go live. Click on Submit for Review to start this process. Udemy's review team will assess your course based on their guidelines and provide feedback or approval. It's normal to feel a bit anxious during this phase, but consider it an opportunity to polish and perfect your course. Remember, creating a course on Udemy is not just about uploading videos and materials, it's about creating an engaging learning experience for your students. Take advantage of Udemy's resources for instructors, engage with your students through Quanda and announcements, and constantly look for ways to improve and update your course. Creating a course on Udemy can be a rewarding experience, giving you the platform to share your knowledge with the world while also earning from your expertise. With patience, creativity, and dedication, you can produce a course that not only meets Udemy's standards, but also, and most importantly, makes a genuine impact on learners' lives. Take your time, plan carefully, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Happy teaching,